Okay, so we're on our second phase. We're at a beginner and we're now looking at distributive property with like terms. Here's your first example. So write this down correctly. You need 5x plus 5 parentheses 4x minus 1 close parentheses equals 20. And what a lot of people do wrong is they like to combine these first two things, but you can't. The order of operation says you have to distribute first. So when you're looking at problems with a distributive property in them, you definitely want to multiply your distributive property first. So it's like the 5x isn't even there. We're going to start with the 5 and we're going to distribute to the 4x and to the negative 1 by multiplying. So 5 times 4x is 20x. And 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Make sure you're multiplying there. And we're just going to bring all the other terms down. So I have an equals 20, and I have a 5x, and this is a positive 20, so I should have a plus sign there. Now I'm going to see if there's any like terms that I can combine. This is the part that's different than our beginner step. There's going to be like terms for us to combine right about here. And they're on the same side of equals, so we just add them up. So this is 5x and 20x. This is going to give us 25x. And then bring down your minus 5, bring down your equals, and your 20. Now we're at a two-step problem. We want to get our constant over to the other side of equals with his friend. So we're going to add 5 to both sides of equals. This is called the additive inverse. We're going to cross out the negative 5 and the positive 5 because that makes 0. We're going to bring down that 25x, bring down the equals, and 20 plus 5 is 25. So this is going to come out nice and pretty. We're going to divide both sides by the number attached to x. In this case, it's 25. And here's something that's a bit of confusion for some. So please look. When I do 25 divided by 25, people say they cancel, but they really don't. They become 1. And 1 times x is x. So when you get 25 divided by 25, don't forget that that's a 1. Some people think it's 0, but it's not. All right, so you are going to go on the next slide and you're going to do your own, and then you're going to check it with mine, and then we'll continue to the next phase.